to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. What are the main tasks in natural language processing? There are various tasks are there. The various tasks involves text classification. In the text classification, we'll categorizing text into predefined groups. Another one is named entity recognition. In this short form, we'll call it as NER. In this here, identifying entities, what are the entities are? Names, dates, and locations and organizations. We are going to identify and classify the text into these four categories. What are the names, dates, locations, and organizations? Whereas in the case of sentiment analysis, here in the sentiment analysis will determine the sentimental score. That means the text is divided into three categories. One is sentimental, or that is the positive sentiment. Another one is negative emotional, and third one is the neutral, which do not belongs to both the sentimental category words. We can take it an example of I love my mother very horribly. This love will give it to sentimental score is the +1, horribly is the -1, and my mother, we are going to give neutral, which doesn't belongs to any sentimental, so we'll assign as a 0. So the sentimental score here it is love is +1 and for horrible is -1. The sentimental score for the sentence that I love my mother horribly is 0. In the case of machine translation, the translating the text from one language to another language, that's called machine translator, or we can take an example is that Google Translator. Another main task in natural language processing is POS tagging, that's parts of speech tagging. What is this parts of speech all about? So here in parts of speech tagging, we are going to identify the parts of speech words in the text, such as nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, etc. That we are going to classify the complete text into the terms of the parts of speech tags. In text summarization, creating a concise summary of a longer document. And finally, in speech recognition, converting the spoken language into text. I hope you understood the main tasks in natural language processing and what is natural language processing in this video. Thank you.